Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you want to make your home DIY projects a lot easier and less stressful? You need this Ergo Tech Series ETS 2000 caulking gun. This dripless caulking gun is a great option because if you've ever used caulking guns that spill the material out all over the place, it can be a hassle and super messy, but this one actually retracts after each trigger pull to prevent dripping and loss of product. So not only is it less messy, but you're not wasting everything. So this is for 10-ounce tubes, and this is a really lightweight, versatile gun that you can use for all different types of product, from latex to acrylic, silicone. So it's a really nice option to have in your tool bag. It has a hook on the back, which makes it easy to hook onto a ladder or to a tool belt. And it also includes a cutter and a poker built in, so you don't have to look for those things when you're working. So this has been a great help for us in our various projects and would definitely recommend it. And that's my point of view.